Basic RAG works in a demo. What makes retrieval trustworthy at real scale? The gap between a notebook demo and a reliable system is almost always retrieval quality, not the model. This is where RAG quietly succeeds or fails. So this video is the operational layer on top of RAG, the chunking, the hybrid search, the re-ranking, and the metrics that keep it honest. A quick refresher, since you already know the basics. Embed your documents into vectors, embed the query, find the nearest passages, stuff them into the prompt, and generate. The model can only use what retrieval hands it. Hold on to that last line. Everything in this video exists to raise that ceiling. Production retrieval is a funnel with 4 stages. First, chunk well, so each piece is a single coherent idea. Then retrieve 2 ways at once. Keyword search with BM25 for exact terms and dense vectors for meaning. Fuse the 2 lists, then re-rank the top of them. And measure yourself with a retrieval metric like recall at K, so you know the funnel is actually improving and not just changing. Let us put numbers on why the funnel matters. Dense-only retrieval recalls the right passage 61% of the time. Add keyword search and rank fusion, and that jumps to 78. Add a reranker over the top 20, and you reach 89%. Same model, same prompt, dramatically better answers purely from better retrieval. The funnel in code is short: 2 retrievers, a fusion step, then a reranker. Each retriever returns 20 candidates. Reciprocal rank fusion blends them, and the reranker trims that down to the final 4. The model still sees only 4 passages, so your prompt stays small and cheap, but they are now the right 4. Here is the counterintuitive part. Retrieving more is often worse. Pushke from 4 to 50, and you flood the prompt with marginal passages, which distracts the model and raises cost. A reranker on a small shortlist lifts precision far more cheaply. And a subtle operational point, deleting documents often leaves tombstones behind in the index, so schedule compaction or search slowly degrades as the data churns. Fast vector search from Malkov and Yashunin's HNSW works like this. The query enters the graph at one node and greedily hops toward closer and closer neighbors a few steps at a time instead of comparing against every vector. A handful of hops reaches the nearest vectors without scanning millions. That is why similarity search stays fast even over huge collections. Not every app needs all of this, so here is the decision. A small, static set of documents is fine with a plain dense index. The funnel earns its keep on large, mixed, or constantly changing corpora. And if exact tokens matter, part numbers, error codes, surnames, then keyword search is not optional because dense vectors blur precisely the details you need to match. Chunking sounds trivial, but it quietly decides your retrieval quality, so let us look closer. Fixed size chunks are the easy default, but they slice through the middle of ideas. Recursive chunking splits on structure first, paragraphs, then sentences, so each piece stays coherent. The clever pattern is small to big. You match the query against small, precise chunks, but then feed the model the larger parent passage around the match, so it gets both precision and context. A little overlap between chunks and some metadata on each one, and your recall often jumps before you touch anything else in the pipeline. In production, the hardest RAG problem is not search quality, it is staying current. Documents change constantly, so you upsert incrementally as they do rather than rebuilding the whole index nightly, and use schedule compaction to clear the tombstones that deletes leave behind. The safest teams reindex into a fresh, versioned collection and then swap traffic over, so a bad reindex never takes down live search. Freshness is an operational discipline, not a one-time load. Most RAG failures trace back to a short list of retrieval mistakes. If a chunk cuts one idea in half, neither half retrieves well. If you never reindex, the model quietly answers from last quarter's documents. And piling on more passages instead of re-ranking just floods the prompt and slows everything down. Fix the chunks and the freshness first. They beat any clever query trick. The funnel maps directly onto real production-ready tools. Qdrant, pgvector, Weaviate or Milvus for the index, Elasticsearch or a bge-reranker, and Cohere Rerank for the hybrid and rerank stages. And RAGAS to prove each change actually improved recall, so you are tuning against numbers, not hunches. So, what is Qdrant? It is an open-source vector database purpose-built for similarity search over embeddings. It handles the indexing, filtering, and nearest neighbor lookups that RAG depends on, and it runs anywhere from an in-memory demo to a large production cluster. It is one of several strong choices here, alongside pgvector, Weaviate, and Milvus. Here it is in practice. Qdrant runs in memory for a demo and scales to a cluster with the same code. Add your documents, query with a wide limit of 20, then drop a reranker on top to trim to the best 4. That single change is usually the biggest quality win available. From here, add BM25 and Rank Fusion, and you have rebuilt the whole funnel we just walked through. Retrieval is measurable, so measure it directly. Recall at K and NDCG on a labeled set tell you whether the right passage is even being found. The Reranker's win rate tells you it is earning its latency. And track how stale your index is and how many context tokens each query burns, because freshness and cost are the two things that silently drift in production RAG. Let us collect the 4 moves that make retrieval production grade. First, chunk documents into coherent ideas with a little overlap. Second, retrieve with both keywords and vectors, then fuse the 2 lists. Third, re-rank that shortlist down to the best few passages. And fourth, measure recall on a labeled set and keep the index fresh as documents change. Every one of those raises the ceiling that caps your whole RAG system. Skip them and the smartest model still answers from the wrong page. The one-line answer? Good answers still have to be safe answers. Guardrails next.